body cam. So I will read the 10 rules to you, sir. Are you ready, sir? Alright, I will just say it again to you, sir. So this is the 10 rules, sir. The number 1 is disrespectful attitude towards colleges and civilians. Punishment 1, reprimand or dismissal of the soldier by decision of the leader. Number 2, you need to address senior in rank using sir or ma'am. Punishment 1 warning. Number 3, any corruption is forbidden, asking for bribe, money, goods or services, or taking a bribe. Money, goods or services, or taking bribe from army function members or policemen or players in exchange for goods and money or services is a punishment, dismissal of the soldier. Number 4, using firearms, physical force, special equipment without a warning. A significant reason is threat to the life and health of the soldier, surrounding citizen, authorize entry into the territory of the military base. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of the soldier by decision. Number 5, soldiers can take a special career without the permission from the generals, deputies, or the leader. Punishment 1, warning. Number 6, non-observance of subordination, not following orders of the generals, deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of an employee by decision of the leader. Number 7, using company vehicle for personal purposes. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal an employee by decision of the leader. Number 8, violating rules of the server. Punishment 1, reprimands or dismissal of the employee by decision of the leader. Number 9, leaving the military base in uniform and or without a weapon. The base can only be left with the permission of the generals, the deputies, or leader. Punishment 1, reprimand. Number 10, 2 warnings are equal to 1 reprimands. 3 reprimands means removal from the position of the soldier. That's all the 10 rules, sir. Do you understand, sir?
Ay, Captain.
Alright, sir. I will show you the 10. So, hello ma'am and sir. We're conducting your final interview. Number 1 question. What does respect means to you, sir?
Respect means to me when everybody is that's what respect to me.
Okay. So, number 2. Why do you want to join the army function? Okay. Number 3. How should we address hierarchies and civilians?
Sir and ma'am.
Okay, good. Number 4. How many hours can you be active on duty?
2.
Number 5. Can you leave the military base whenever you want?
ask permission from any higher up, and they approved it, then you can go outside.
Alright, sir. Number 6 question. Are you allowed to shoot, base, or kill a fellow soldier for fun? Number 7. If a civilian enter the base, what should you do?
I will RP to them, and if they didn't follow my command, I'm allowed to use deadly force.
Okay, nice question. Nice answer. What does AFK? What does AFK mean to you, sir? Are you, Number 9, are you allowed to take a military vehicle for personal use?
Personal use.
Okay. Number 10, by joining the army, you must follow all the orders from your higher ups. Do you agree to these terms?